Jeff Bezos just revealed why Tesla's cars are extremely dangerous. If there's one thing business executives are known for, it's their eccentricities. As a result, if they are publicly humiliated, they will definitely retaliate. But while the rest of us could embarrass them and call it a day, Jeff Bezos has opted to retaliate by destroying Elon Musk's dominance of Tesla and how he intends to accomplish so. We believe he has a good chance of succeeding. Is it the beginning of what could be the largest automotive conflict ever? Elon Musk's Tesla versus Jeff Bezos' trusted partner Rivian? In addition, we'll investigate why Jeff Bezos described Tesla automobiles as very unsafe. So switch this video to full screen and watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech United, a channel where you can find everything about tech. But before we head into the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. With that being said, let's begin. Musk and Bezos have had a long-running dispute over their conflicting spaceflight goals. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, has been challenging NASA over the agency's decision to hire Musk's SpaceX to develop a lunar lander that will return humans to the moon. They will now be competing in the electric vehicle industry as well, as Bezos backs Rivian, a hand-picked contender who he feels can take on Tesla. Without selling a single vehicle, the business has already overtaken Volkswagen's market capitalization to become the world's third largest automaker. Rivian is the brainchild of Robert Scaringe, an MIT PhD who created the company after graduating from college in 2009. His first plan was to build a sports automobile that would compete with Tesla's original Roadster. He eventually decided against going head-to-head with Tesla and instead founded his own company. Since its inception, the company has been engrossed in both electric car technology and autonomous driving capabilities. Rivian debuted a fast coupe prototype in 2011. After 2 years, the business decided to pursue the autonomous electric vehicle sector. Robert, however, chose to discard that notion before the entire project was scrapped, as we just indicated. While he didn't want to be another Tesla, he needed to ensure that his firm would survive, which meant recognizing what Tesla wasn't focusing on: SUVs and more robust vehicles. He began working on that front, and as a result, the manufacturer shifted its manufacturing focus to holistic ecosystems of electric vehicles designed for use in the outdoors. The company's focus has remained on the tough outdoors and the SUVs to this day. Rivian finally has some things to reveal to alpha prototypes by the end of 2017. At the 2013 LA Auto Show, Rivian showcased two prototypes for the R1T sedan and R1S SUV. Both cars were advertised as semi-autonomous and equipped for tough terrain. Ford spent $500 million building the automobiles, but the contract was terminated during the COVID-19 epidemic. The prototypes also caught Jeff Bezos' interest at this time, while he was the CEO of Amazon, which was a huge deal in 2019. In 2019, they bought a 20% share in the company and purchased 100,000 delivery on automobiles. Jeff Bezos had a big plan in mind. He'd launch his two pet projects, Blue Origin and Rivian, at the same time. And that's exactly what happened last summer when the billionaire launched his Blue Origin rocket into space after arriving at the launch pad in a Rivian truck and blasting off in his Blue Origin rocket. Rivian, Elon Musk's aeronautical and electric vehicle startup, was unveiled. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos made a smart and strategic product placement with this maneuver. As of now, the corporation has begun to progressively roll its items off the assembly line. They're not just a serious competitor to Tesla's dominance, based on what we've seen so far. Rivian Automotive is the world's fifth largest automaker by market capitalization, even though it has only delivered a handful of electric vehicles to consumers. Rivian Automotive reached a market value of over $100 billion just 2 days after its initial public offering. The company rose by 29% on its first day of trading, and by as much as 24% on subsequent days. Tesla is the manufacturer of the Model 3 sedan, the world's best-selling electric vehicle, while things like the Cybertruck may come later. The company has a strong presence in the European car sector. Actual customers will be buying the product, not the market share. Without a doubt, Tesla trucks are futuristic and stunning, but they also feel more familiar and may easily fit into your daily driver. They currently have no claim to any share and must rely on more utilitarian cars. Aside from all this, Jeff Bezos has now introduced a new wrinkle to their business battle by pointing out a key flaw with Tesla vehicles. He also referred to their automobiles as very unsafe. Let's have a look at what's causing it. According to the top US auto safety agency, Tesla is recalling more than 817,000 vehicles due to faulty seatbelt chimes, the second recall in as many weeks. There was an issue of its seatbelt chimes getting silent on its consecutive drives after, so the electric manufacturer will wirelessly update 817,143 vehicles, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. In an issue summary, NHTSA stated, the audio chime may not get activated when the vehicle engine powers up and the driver has not tightened their seatbelt. The problem, according to the EPA, puts Tesla in violation of federal auto safety standards regarding occupant crash protection. In a letter to Tesla, NHTSA official Alex Ansley stated, the driver may be unaware that their seatbelt is not attached, increasing the risk of injury during a crash. Tesla is recalling more than 50,000 vehicles due to a software function called rolling stop. Tesla claimed that in February, a software update will resolve the issue over the air, removing the need for owners to bring their vehicles in for service to satisfy the recall criteria. Tesla is one of the few automakers that use the over-the-air software updates to make significant changes to the way their vehicles run. It has gotten into controversy with regulators in the past for failing to tell them of adjustments that would have been made during the recall procedure. A request for comment from Tesla was met with a positive response. Lucia Sanchez, a spokeswoman for the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, said the government wants to make sure that companies file necessary recalls, even if the cure is as simple as a software update. As required by law, Tesla filed a recall with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to resolve a problem with its seatbelt chimes. She stated, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is committed to holding manufacturers accountable and ensuring that they are complying with their obligations to initiate a recall for any repair, including a software update, that mitigates an unreasonable risk of injury or failure to comply with federal motor vehicle safety standards. When Tesla released a software update that allowed its cars to see parked emergency vehicles better in low light, the NHTSA chastised the company for failing to conduct a formal recall. Tesla has sent a constant stream of recall warnings since then. Phantom braking, according to Tesla drivers, is on the rise. Tesla informed the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, late last month that it was issuing a recall due to an issue in which its vehicles equipped with full self-driving beta, a driver assistance suite, rolled through stop signs without coming to a complete stop. Nearly 54,000 automobiles with the software were affected by the recall. The Washington Post reported earlier this week that the NHTSA was investigating a spike in owner complaints about claimed phantom braking, in which vehicles suddenly halt due to supposed threats sensed by perception systems. In the middle of last year, Tesla transitioned from a radar and camera system to a camera-based system. Senators Edward J. Markey and Richard Blumenthal made a joint statement on the phantom braking issue on Thursday. While automated driving and driver assistance technologies have the potential to improve safety, they stated, they must be introduced with strong safeguards that guarantee our cars follow the rules of the road and drivers are fully engaged. According to the recall report, no injuries or deaths have been reported as a result of the seatbelt chime issue. The seatbelt warning will still sound if the vehicle speed exceeds 22 km per hour, according to the study. Meanwhile, a visible seatbelt reminder continues to function effectively, according to the report. We all believe in Elon Musk and his works, but still, things cannot be 100% flawless though. So, what do you think of Jeff Bezos' statement over Tesla cars? Do you think Tesla cars are more of a gimmick than it is? Let us know in the comment section of this video. That's all for the day, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace.